If you are traveling on Interstate 65 and you're near exit 28, I found the Corvette Museum. So I was traveling from Chicago to Florida to Orlando. All right, then we stopped at the National Museum for Corvettes. And I saw on the side of the road, Corvette Museum. I love Corvettes. I'm actually a Mustang fan, but to be that close by, you must stop. So this is me popping in, showing you guys the Corvette Museum. I'm not sure if there's one or two around the world, but this one is in the Midwest. Here's a sneak peek of it. And if you're interested, and if you love cars like I love cars, stop off and check out the Corvette Museum. Everyone was nice. Back on the road. The museum was cool.